In this video, we are going to learn more manual interview questions and answer. Below is the list of all the interview questions we are going to cover in this video. Let's start with the first question. What is black box testing? Black box testers are involved in it. Black box tester focuses on positive and negative scenarios, test software without knowing internal code. Coding knowledge is not required to perform the black box testing, focuses on input and expected outputs. Ensure functionality meets requirements, includes functional and non-functional testing. This is all about the black box testing. Next is what is white box testing. White box testers or developers are involved in it, also known as code level testing, focuses on testing internal code, logic and structure, required knowledge of programming and internal system design. Coverage aims for high code coverage, includes statement, branch and path coverage. Type of testing includes unit testing, integration testing, and mutation testing. Purpose: ensure code correctness, optimize code, and identifies hidden errors. Tools: uses tools like JUnit, NUnit, and debugging tools. This is all about white box testing. Let's move for the another question. Gray box testing. Gray box testing is a software testing method that combines elements of both black box testing and white box testing. Partial knowledge. Testers have limited access to internal code or architecture. Focus: test both the user interface and the underlying code to ensure functionality and performance. Gray box tester focuses on positive as well as negative scenarios while testing. Next question is what is smoke testing? Definition: quick check to ensure the basic and critical functionalities of an application work before proceeding with detailed testing. Purpose: ensure the build is stable for further testing. Scope: bold but shallow testing of major features. When performed after receiving a new software build, this we will receive from the developer. Once development is completed, then we will receive the new software build. Then we will perform the smoke testing. Example: checking logic, login, homepage navigation, and checkout functionality in an e-commerce application. So this is all about the smoke testing. Let's move for the another question. What is sanity testing? Definition: a focus check to verify specific bug fixes or a new functionality without testing the whole system. Purpose of the sanity testing: ensures recent changes work correctly and don't break existing functionality. Scope of the sanity testing: narrow but deep testing of specific areas. When performed after minor updates, bug fixes, or a new feature implementation. At this situation, we will perform the sanity testing. Example: verifying that a fixed payment gateway issue now process transaction correctly. Let's move for the another question. What is the difference between smoke testing and sanity testing? So smoke testing purpose: check overall build stability. Sanity testing purpose: verifies specific bug fixes or changes. Smoke testing scope: covers major functionalities. Sanity testing scope: focuses on a particular section. Smoke testing when performed after a new build release. Sanity testing when performed after major changes or bug fixes. Sanity testing execution depth: broad and shallow. Sanity testing execution depth is narrow and deep. Smoke testing time taken: quick, minutes to hours. Sanity testing time taken: slightly longer, hours. Smoke testing example: checking login, navigation and checkout. Sanity testing example: verifying a fixed checkout bug. So this is all about difference between smoke testing and sanity testing. Let's move for the another question. What is unit testing and who perform it? Definition of unit testing. Testing individual components, units of a software in isolation. So in our development code, we will test the units of the code. So this is all about the unit testing definition. Unit testing purpose is ensure each unit work as designed, performed by developers. Tool used for the unit testings are JUnit, NUnit, unit testing automation, usually automated and run frequently. Benefits of unit testing: catches bug early, improve code quality, facilitates refactoring. Example is testing a function to calculate the sum of two numbers. This is all about the unit testing and developer will perform it. Let's move for the another question. What is integration testing? Definition of integration testing is testing combines modules or components to ensure they work together. We will integrate all the modules or components and then we will perform the testing on it. Purpose of integration testing is verify interaction and data flow between integrated units, performed by testers or a developer. When integration testing will perform after unit testing, before system testing. Types of integration testing: big bang, incremental, incremental, top down, bottom up, sandwich. These testing types are present. Focus of integration testing is identifies interface and communication issues. Example: testing login module interaction with database. So this is all about integration testing. Let's move for the another question. What is system testing? Definition of it: testing the complete integrated system as whole. Purpose: ensure the system meets specified requirements and work end to end, performed by tester or QA team. When it will be performed after integration testing, before acceptance testing, we will perform the system testing. Types: functional testing, non-functional testing. Environment: staging environment, that is tester environment, similar to production. Example: testing an e-commerce app, login, search, payment, and so on. So this we will do in system testing. Let's move for the another question. What is entry and exit criteria in testing? First we will see the entry criteria. When testing start, at that time we can say it is entry criteria. First, requirements and design documents are approved, test plan and test cases are ready, test environment is set up, required test data is available, software build is stable for testing. So this is the entry criteria for testing. Exit criteria means when testing ends, all test cases are executed, no critical high priority defects remaining, code coverage meets the required level, performance and security benchmark are met, test report and documentation are completed. So when all these things are completed, then we can exit the testing. So let's move for the another question. What is the difference between positive and negative testing? Positive testing definition validates that the system work as expected with correct inputs. Negative testing tests how the system handles invalid or unexpected inputs. Positive testing purpose confirms that application functions correctly. Negative testing ensures the application handles error gracefully. Positive testing inputs type valid, correct, and expected inputs. Negative testing input types invalid, incorrect, or unexpected inputs. Positive testing expected result is system should accept the input and perform the expected operation. Negative testing expected result system should handle errors properly without crashing. Positive testing example: entering a valid username and password for login. Negative testing example is entering special character or a blank field in login form. Positive testing focus ensure correct functionality. Negative testing focus identifies potential system failures and vulnerabilities. So this is about the difference between positive and negative testing. So as a part of this video, we covered most of the interview questions. If you want to learn more interview questions about the manual testing, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please do like. Thank you so much.